Hello, hello, it's Angela. I have Happy Mail. And this Happy Mail is from Robin, who should have a channel. And she and I had been working on the ID cards together. And so I sent her some stamps, ID card stamps, and thankfully she didn't have them. You just never know, because there were not that many of them out there. Anyway, she and I were both buying different stamps to use on ID cards. So, anyway, this is a Happy Mail from her as a little thank you. We got a great stack here to use in a journal. Uh-oh, I just ripped it. We can fix that. That'll be good in a journal. Oh, it's a bigger bag. Ooh. Cool, I like that. Okay, Angela. She makes such pretty cards. Uh-oh. I'm not going to use that one now, am I? Thank you, she says. Oh, what a pretty card. Angela, thank you for my stamps, papers, and ID cards. Thank you for your friendship. Here's a few things for you. I see a garden journal in your future. Love, Robin. Oh boy. Secret Garden. Lavinia. Or Lavinia. Stamps. I've never heard of those. Oh, look. Secret Garden and Herb Garden. I used to have a beautiful herb garden outside of my kitchen window. I'm going to have to put it back in. I planted lemon balm in it. I love it. But it's very aggressive and it takes over. So I've been spending the last 2 years pulling that. I'm hoping this year will be the last year I have to pull on it. Anyway, where we have an herb garden. And we have a secret garden. Every journaler needs a secret writing spot and a secret garden. Oh, and look at this beautiful paper. Let's have a peek at it. Maybe. I don't know. Here it goes. Got it. How sweet. Thank you, Robin. Oh, look at that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I still have a boho journal in my future too. Oh, these are beautiful. Thank you, Robin. I love these. Ooh. Wouldn't that make a good background on a card? Yeah. Might have to make her a card and say thank you. Very, very pretty. These are called Scenescapes from Lavinia Stamps. I'm going to have to look her up. Very cool. www.lavinia, Lavinia stamps.com. Looks like she must be in Britain. It's an established British company creating high-quality clear polymer stamps. Artist and company founder Tracy Dutton has a fascination for fabrics, fantasy, flora, and fauna. She creates spiritually inspired, hand-drawn images that enable you to push the boundaries of your imagination. At Lavinia Stamps, we have passion and drive, taking craft to achievable artistic heights, whilst appealing to all crafting capabilities. Join us on an inspirational journey of belief and watch the magic unfold. Oh, wow, that is really sweet. Well, I'm going to go look her up. Definitely. Thank you, Robin. That was so sweet of you. You did not have to do that, sweetie. But it's always appreciated. It's so fun to get happy mail, isn't it? I'm learning the beauty of sharing mail with people now. You know, I've always known it, but I've been a terrible mailer my whole life. My grandma would write, and she'd wait and wait and wait for me to write, and it'd take me forever. It's just me, and I love writing. So, anyway, thank you, Robin. That is very sweet of you. It's beautiful, beautiful stamps and paper, and a very beautiful card. I just love how she does them. We could all learn a lot from Robin if she'd get a channel. She's not wanting a channel. So she's doing some organizing right now too. And I'm blaming Tammy Van Antwerp for getting us started. And then she could probably blame Carol, because Carol was organizing. And Amy, who should probably have a channel, she's been busy organizing too, purging and getting rid of things she doesn't need anymore, or that are taking up too much space. You know, I don't know. So anyway, I am in the middle of purging and cleaning and organizing, and then I want to get all my books, all my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 14 books and 1 box. Remember the box we made? I have this to get on my Etsy site. So, lots to do. I'm trying to get all caught up. Alright, thank you for joining me today, and I'm sorry my lighting is so bad in here today. I think I need some new lights. But I don't know. We'll have to just see. Okay, thank you again for joining me, and I hope you all have a great afternoon or a great morning, great evening, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!